Taken by surprise. In. Slyly. Don't blink or you'll miss me. I'm under attack. They'll slip through their guard. Yes. Have some blade.
Yawa ka.
Surreptitiously. Got to keep my hand in. I'm but a shadow. Yes. They see me not. Ha! Moving quickly. Like a wisp. Very well. Oh, yes. I'm but a shadow. I can't bear to be seen.
I thought I saw that in the forecast.
Don't tell me. I'm a sight for sore eyes. Creeping in. In the blink of an eye. Don't blink or you'll miss me. I'm under attack.
Gilang.
Not yet. Without remorse.
Nice one.
The wretches are running.
It's a matter of
Yes. In I go. Oh, yes. Like a wisp. Yes. Sneaky.
Can count on you.
There falls my shadow, fells my blade. Moving quickly. They'll slip through their guard. Collect. Not hesitate. It is not time yet. It is not time yet. I'm soft on the edge.
Gilang.
In silence.
little pain is missing.
They see me not. Very well. Surreptitiously. Surreptitiously. Moving quickly. Like a wisp. Phantom fighter. Yes.
Uy, mali yung pagka-block.
Sneaky. Oh, yes.
Ward dito, pre.
The lane is missing. Middle lane is missing.
I'm under attack.
Gago. Oh, fuck!
Your top tower is under attack.
Your top tower is under attack.
Dire structures are fortified.
Where falls my shadow, fells my
Pre,
blade.
ward dito, pre, ah. Dito.
I'm an immaterial girl. Attack.
Well, I've caught my breath.
Yes.
Back to it.
Ay, mayaman.
In I go.
Middle lane is missing.
In the blink of an eye.
Nice ka, pre. Back mo na. Wag.
Blink or you'll miss me.
Kalma, nice.
Ha. I'll slip through their guard. I'm but a shadow. Don't look now. I'm but a shadow. Surreptitiously. Slyly.
Sana yung charge ko.
Look sharp. They see me not. Quick strike. Sneaky. Yes.
Middle lane is missing.
May storm?
Have some wood. In I go. I'm under attack. Look away.
Fucking shit. Dami, 4.
Radiant
Go, fight.
structures are
Fight.
fortified.
Laban lang.
I won't stop until the job is done.
Your top tower is under attack.
Where falls my shadow, fells my blade.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Killing spree.
Wait.
Hello, tuyo na hello.
Ha! Good shot.
Total domination. I can't believe double kill.
Where least expected. Were you expecting me? Attack. Oh yes, the phantom strikes. Blink off. Many thanks.
Naka-year na ako, pre. Balik.
Under attack.
Creeping in. Don't blink or you'll miss me. Yes. Where falls my shadow, fells my blade. I'm under attack. Taken by surprise. I'm but the shadow.
Imba strength. Now
Yes.
reach Your top tower is under attack.
Wait.
Middle lane is missing.
Fight.
Your
Ano
top
fight?
tower is under attack.
Tara.
Slyly.
Ay, ito na.
Oh,
Rubik tayo,
yes.
Rubik.
I'll
Where
slip
did? Ay, gago. Kinuha niya yung bomba mo, pre. Lintik na yan. Nag-blast off ka na lang sana.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Don't blink or you'll miss me. Ha! Yes. I'm easy to overlook. Phantasmal. Very well.
Dire's courier has been slain.
Quick strike. Without remorse. Lisp. Moving quickly. Surreptitiously. The blink of an eye. I'm under attack.
Raptor tayo, pre.
In I go.
Kaya ba? Walang vision? Walang vision.
Don't blink or you'll miss me. It is an honor to be
Mega kill. Watching a knife cut through butter.
assassin.
Fuck, bro.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Never refuse good given.
Ay, nahanapan ko nga ng space eh.
Dire's structures are fortified.
Your top tower is under attack.
Uy, palagan nyo yung Rubik sa bot, oh. Nag-farm na tuloy yung ano,
It's all coming
Your
back.
yung
top tower
axe.
is under
Intik na yan.
attack.
Outplay, nag-farm.
Your top tower has fallen.
Wait.
But
Your
that was
bottom
my
tower is under
favorite.
attack. Ah, they're all your favorites.
Nag-farm eh.
Where falls my shadow, fells my blade. I didn't stand a chance. Here I am.
Should we be afraid? Unstoppable.
Taken by surprise.
Wait, that's unstoppable.
Very well. Silence. Quick strike.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
They see me not.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
It's not
Def
very
ay.
urgent.
Bot oh.
Have some blade.
Buang ang tanawan making ahas eh.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Somebody ought to do something.
Yeah, they really
More
should.
of me, but less to see. Look sharp.
Wicked
Yes.
sick! The Dire have reinforced their structures.
Like a wisp. Slyly. Least expected. Surreptitiously. One for the phantom. I will not hesitate.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Without remorse.
Radiant structures
Without
are
remorse.
fireproof.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Attack.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Creeping in.
This isn't gonna end well, is it?
I'm but a shadow.
Your top tower is under attack.
See less of me now. Sneaky. Have some blade. Taken by surprise.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Not hesitate. I'll slip through their guard. In the blink of an eye. They are not ready. Creeping in.
Back na. Pinabalik ako hayop.
Look sharp. Where least expected. Here I am. In silence.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Your
Wala
bottom
man yung
tower has fallen.
Material. Slyly.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Do you think they heard us?
Doubtful.
Without remorse.
Scoop.
Moving quickly. Yes. They see me not. go.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Look sharp.
At the heart of a champion and the conscience of a high school bully. Great combo. Keep it up.
Okay. Going disruptor dyan ah. Palayin mo na charge.
Photos. Greg, you looking at that? Because that is dominating.
Next time, I'll assess before I assassinate.
Your top tower is under attack.
Dire lock down their structures. Your top tower is under attack.
Don't look now. I'll not hesitate. I'm but a shadow. Taken by surprise. Sneaky. Very well. I am not ready. Like a wisp.
Dagger. Putang ina ng axe to. Second skill mo pre. Ayos. Abobo ng open pre.
Kill spree.
Gago.
Let me pull aside the veil of secrecy. Oh, yes. Quick strike. Have failed.
Your top tower is under attack.
Kulit og dagger ako sige atay man sige dengan dagan ay
Your bottom tower is under attack.
samot. Oh palagi. Ay.
Blink of an eye.
Radiant's courier has been slain. I don't say this often, but
Putang ina mo.
kill spree. Was that a double kill? Hold on. And yep, it checks out. That was a double kill.
Quality crystals day, crystallis. Gag.
Searing J.
grasslands of my home. Not your best effort.
Gila ay ko sa axe pare.
Back from the shadows.
Wait.
Hello, tuyo. Na hello.
Don't blink or you'll miss me. Oh, yes. Have some blade. Mm-hmm. Creeping in. In I go.
A tool to teach.
Ayo. Ayo ba?
It is not done.
Oo, batang saga dito. Ayo.
It is foul play.
Atay ka ingon kog ayaw ni hagad yung animal.
Explosions! Your middle tower is under attack.
Ah,
I am back with new victims in mind. Surreptitiously. Yes. In the blink of an eye. I'm easy to overlook. Where falls my shadow, there's my blade.
Your top tower is under attack. Dire lock down their structures.
Rubik ta na.
They see me not. Shadow. Very well.
Ta, hoy.
I'll slip through their guard. Without remorse. Phantom fighter. My edges are running.
So, ano guys, smiling wiki ka.
Like a wisp. In I go. In the blink of an eye. Surreptitiously. Creeping in. Ha. Moving quickly. One down, 4 to go. Didn't stand a chance. Here I am.
Dominating.
Oh, yes. I'm but a shadow.
Radiant structures are fortified. Your bottom tower is under
There falls
attack.
my shadow, fails my blade.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your bottom tower has fallen. Their top tower has fallen.
Don't blink or you'll miss me. They see me not.
Nga!
Slyly. I'm in. Oh. Yes.
Gago ka pre!
Your middle tower is under attack.
No whining now.
Wait.
Ang gunitang hero, pwede naman na pagtanta.
Your middle tower is under
Paano mo
attack.
kamot? Klaro ng tikis eh. Kalma lang yan. Huwag daog na kita na. Patay ka na dyan. Buwangan ka.
Born to strange sights. I'll slip through their guard.
Your middle tower is under attack. Dire structures are fortified.
Matanda mo.
Wait.
Don't look now.
Hello.
Attack. You see less of me now. Very well. Look sharp. There's
Your middle tower is under attack.
like a wisp. I'll slip through their guard.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen.
Very well.
Your bottom tower is under
It's not
attack.
done yet. None but a shadow.
Wait.
Like a wisp.
Hello.
I feel blurry.
Your top tower is under attack.
Putang ina talaga.
Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower has fallen.
Blast! Grabe, tikis di man mo gamit yung second skill lagi at
Mega kill. You are killing it out there. Double kill.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen!
This is start.
Wait.
Mga aimber. Lugi ka sa kuan.
Your middle tower is under attack.
So spirit kay Smurf, Meko. Saraan na sa kuan.
For the day. Moving quickly. Surreptitiously.
Okay, farm ducks. Uy.
Yes.
Ang bad kang farm duck.
Creeping in. Yes. Sneaking. Don't blink or you'll miss me. Here falls my shadow. Black King Bar. They can't stop me now. In a blink of an eye.
Wait.
It's not done yet.
Wait.
Oh, yes. It's in my...
Chase.
Ha! Are you not ready? Taken by surprise. Their God. I'm under attack. One for the phantom.
It's like watching a hammer pound out the hills.
Atay, uy! Yawa, ning axe. Wadi kitas mapa animal.
The Dire have reinforced their structures.
Ang dami, way damage yung buang. Gua sa axe. Bugo, useless. Patay ka na iwa ka.
Your top tower is under attack!
Double kill.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your top tower has fallen.
Well, at least the blast was
Top
pretty.
barracks have you
Daghan mong bugo.
I will do.
Disruptor na ako.
Your top barracks have fallen! It was nice!
Mayra eh. Bugo kayo may.
Wait.
I see you.
Your middle tower has fallen! Your middle barracks have fallen! Dire structures are fortified!
Wait.
Your middle barracks have fallen. Your bottom tower has fallen.
Your bottom barracks have fallen!
Your bottom barracks are under attack. Fallen.
The enemy now has mega creeps!
Paghikog do. Bugo adyo di mo'y. Bugo. Okay gamit axe, okay gamit.
Very well.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower has fallen.
Your middle tower has fallen.
Wait.
Hello, tuyo na hello.
Radiant victory!
Bugo axe, quit og Dota bugo. Wa kay pulos. Klaro ko yung gasmorph ang inatay.
Seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Your turn to pick.
Ten seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Call me vengeance.
Prepare to battle. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo, baliin ang mission. Laro to, pero puso kondisyon.
First blood! First blood. 30 seconds to battle.
Faster!
Oh boy!
The time has come. If you insist. Vengeance flies beside me.
Are you even trying?
Let my vengeance soar. I am under attack. Denied. As you are. Basin. Bottom is missing. With a vengeance. There is to you. By the bloody pina.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Your middle tower is under attack. You know, it's probably fine.
Battle.
Hey, put your words. Uy. Saan lang words mo na? Passive na. Butang sin kuandre be. Observer be dere. Observer dere. Observer dere.
My sentiments precisely. I fly.
Panghigop imong third skill, ihigop ba imong mana ba? Pahigupin lag mana. Hak sa lang skill di mo sa gamiton.
The time has come. Attack! Faster!
Dula ba higupig is third skill, higupig third skill. Hasta nga yawa amo naglayon ay.
As you wish. As you wish.
Yawa kabayot, bading. Bading, pwede ra makadimustahan god. Ay sig binading dragon.
Stretch my wings.
Uy, yan naman. Kung magamit pala yung kaling, lamig kay kalingon ba? Higupi! Ay, dito ang higop. Ngita pa magkagla. Nga, gi-cancel. Bugua, dyan ay. Mahadlok man ka. Nabuang.
I am here.
Sa tabati og paningkamot nimo.
If you insist. Very well.
Dula, ayaw putla. Dili na mo duol. Tama ko. Higupi ba? Ang gawa ang utok. Ay. Third skill ba gamita? Pero ay palayo pod. Biya nimo eh.
Killing spree! Here's thy reckoning. Does this mean my flesh will grow back?
Guys,
Your middle tower is under attack.
buguan yung mga preboyag eh.
Time has come.
Tara, hugupi! Grabe, third skill mo, purting pasiba dyan na yun.
Tower is under attack.
Daan bot, bahali gitro ko yung duwa. Hindi kami ng kamot,
Shall roll like my wings. If you insist. 4. As you wish.
Saan magka-dool? Dire, higupi lagi nagmana lagi. Dool ba? Padool. Higuping mana ba? Third skill ba? Third skill. Oh, third skill, oh. Ay nalandira, kay puro ngit-ngit. Ngit-ngit pa na sa imong lubot na napita.
Flies.
Bulok ka naman. Palagi! Bugo, maning buang. Ay.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Looks like Radiant closed the blast doors. Your bottom tower is under attack.
At last. Nice style. I am there. By the bloody pinions of
Your
Di lang
bottom
pala
tower is under attack.
Di pala ikaw yung may sira, pati yung mic mo eh.
yes. I am not arguing.
Oh, dulo na mo. Higupa na mo mana. Di ba daog na? Oh, yan na mo uto eh. Oh, kana oh. Oh. Kana ba? Higupi ba? Ay gundang eh.
By my will.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Oh, kana ba? From kaingon tag ning kamot, gana tag duwa.
You shall feel my talents.
Ah, buang ah. Natay ka. Back na. Palagi. Pwede na mahigupan. Pwede na mo...
Is a dish best served now.
Better hang on to my hat.
Deny.
The time has come.
Killing spree!
As you I am there. Faster.
Your bottom tower is under attack. It could go at any moment.
Oh boy!
For me.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
You think they know?
Well, they will.
Gak the Kiro eh.
As you
Blue life.
vengeance flies beside.
Dominating!
Your middle tower is under attack.
Dragon must respect.
Dies.
Yung buhay na.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Your middle tower is under attack. It'll be fine.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Your middle tower has fallen.
Third skill. Lion, third skill on aim.
Let my vengeance soar. With the vengeance.
Third skill mang aim. Kunan mo ng mana.
My sentiment precise.
Your top tower is under attack.
That's the kind of in-depth
Worded
analysis
pala
you
dun.
come to expect
Lang.
from us. Your top tower is under attack.
Cheer up.
Could be worse.
I fly.
Warded dira, tanawa kanina. Warded na dira. Dere ba, warded, dere. Blow na. So gupi daan. Busan mo muna ang mana. Yan. Wait lang. Yan o. Swap ko ah. May creep swap natin. Yun lang. Ay, yung word mo, lagay mo dito yung word mo. Dito, ilagay mo dito. Ito yung word dito. Yan. Swap ko ah. Higupan mo ng mana. Mana. Nice one. Tower.
Is under attack. Your
Eh, basag to.
Dire lock down their structures.
Nice one.
Their bottom tower has fallen.
Pwede tayo mag-mid. Mid. Tara. Tara, mid tayo. Magkuha ka muna mana dito. Mana. Sa ano? Ito. Yan. Kuha mo ng mana. Tara. Oh, ito. Gagi. Nakalis na. Binom na lang. Baka layan bak.
My sentiments precisely.
Bak lang.
To battle.
Bak lang oh. Worded na dito. Kita mo, worded ah. Worded. Gago ka. Patay ako, boy!
Your bottom tower
Jackero.
under attack.
Kung ano, Jackero na lang. Maunat. Hayop na ano, QP yan no.
Your bottom tower is
Yan.
under attack.
Jackero, higupan mo ng mana oh.
That ended well.
Yeah, for the other guys.
Aray mo. Dagger mo. Higupan mo. Ulti. Sa'yo sana yun. Sayang. Ay, sorry.
The time has come.
Killing spree!
Going mid ako. Ay, nangyari ba dyan? Micro.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Dominating! Double kill!
Upal.
Desolator. Faster.
Tara tap. Oy, draw. Likod mo. Aray mo. Likod mo, laban. Labanan natin yan, pre. Ayun, tulala yung ano. Pre! Gago. Okay ng ina mo. Napaka-slow. Long mana. Aray mo.
Their bottom tower has fallen.
Ah.
Money changes hands.
How many times must I set out on this road?
Forward.
Does this mean my flesh will grow back?
Very well.
Mega kill!
Nice ka.
Their middle
Dinay mo, pre.
has fallen.
Mali yung TP ko. Hayop kayo.
I am there. My sentiments precise.
Not yet.
My vengeance is
Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Akin. Binumancer tayo.
as you wish.
Wala akong life, pre.
I will slake my thirst for revenge.
Binumancer, pre. Ward it, pre. Walang ward. Lion, walang ward. Ba't di mo nilagay, pre? Pre, yung ward, pre, di mo nilagay, pre. Di ka rinig, pre. Di ka rinig. Ward it, pre. Di rinig, pre. Pero sino mo na yung boses mo dyan? Sayang yun.
Shall be brought like my wings. Day to you. Back. By the blood of
Killing spree!
vengeance flies beside me. Fear.
Go. Wala iim, pre. Wala iim. Wala. Walang word. Word eh. Warded, pre. Dito, pre, oh. Push top.
Radiant structures are
enemy's top tower has fallen!
I will not be stopped so easily. Very well. At last. Sweet as ninja. Faster. By the blood fields of Avilva. Shall be broken like my wings. If you insist. I am there. I am not arguing.
Game.
Killing spree!
As you wish.
Mega kill!
Yes. If I must. A gift from the goddess.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Dire's structures are fortified!
As you wish. The time has come. The sky relaxes.
Ay, mas kusog sa mudagan na. 390 din buo.
Dominating!
Kaya mo yun, Klings, kung may lifesteal ka. Bakbakan na raparapan.
I will not fall again.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Your top tower is under attack. This might finally be getting out of hand.
Your top tower is under attack.
It's starting to show cracks.
When was the last time an inspector was here?
Your top tower is under attack.
Your top tower
Stop.
is under attack.
Your top tower has fallen.
Well, they tried.
Probably.
Haste.
Killing spree!
Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta.
Invisibility.
Ko, siguradong panalo to. Bra. Kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag na-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalabalan. Papamagin mo, di ako tatanga-tanga. Ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay.
Let my vengeance soar. Faster.
Ayun na. Mid lang. Wait.
My sentiments precisely.
Ito, Jakiro, mid. Tara, draw. Ayan na lang, draw. Silence mo, draw.
Killing spree!
My voice.
Akin na. Tara. Patay ka, boy. Push natin, pre.
Very well.
Radiant's courier was caught in the
Go.
crossfire.
Silence. Nice one. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Saka tayo. High ground.
Looks like Radiant closed the blast
Sit down.
doors.
Dire structures
Medyo
are
masakit siya.
fortified.
In fairness.
The enemy's bottom tower
Masarap yun, ah. Okay.
Their bottom barracks have
The
Mid.
enemy's bottom barracks have fallen.
No, mid tayo. Kaya ni Klings yun.
Should they be worried?
Mid tayo, kaya ni Klings yun. Siyempre. Pamana ko, Lion. Mana. Push natin to, pre. May draw. Draw. Push natin to, draw. Anak kasi draw. Tara, kunin natin yung creeps. So. Puta, nakakagulat ka, pre, ah. Pre. Draw, push natin draw. Ay, wala na.
Precisely.
Buhay na sila.
I will sneak my first.
Kaya ba mag-RS? Hindi kaya, walang iteming draw. Baka dyan, Lion, baka dyan. Nakagat ka ng anaconda dyan, patay ka dyan. Shining out of the sky, you're my kryptonite. You can make me weak. You make my heart break. Yes. Cause it's time just to make you sing. I need you with me now. Cause you got that one thing. So get out of my head. I'm falling to my head. I don't want me, but I need that one thing. Poso nga dyan, pre. Klings, maggang kayo, pre. Back tayo, may back tayo. Poso yung bot, pre. Ay, yung mid, pre. Draw, kaya ba? Draw. Silence mo, kami. Dito ka. Oo, swap natin. Wait lang. Wala tayong words eh. Kaabang lang din sila eh. Wala, nasa bot. Tara, push natin. Syempre.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Their top tower has fallen.
Mid tayo, ano? Mid tayo, mid. Ward natin, pre. Ako na nga mag-ward. Tulong guys. Ayot ka. Okay na. Sorry Lion. Back tayo. Konti. You get that one thing shining out of the sky. You're my kryptonite. You can make me weak. Ay, back pre! Uy! Wala kang lifesteal, pre! Dapat may lifesteal ka para makapag... ano ka dun. Sayang.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Double damage.
Is a dish best served now. Yes.
Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch ako, araw nag-grabo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din naman.
I fly.
Tamad, game on.
Killing spree.
May the sky surrender to me. As you wish.
Sama tayo, sama. Wag hiwalay.
If I must. Faster.
Unahin natin yung support siguro. QP ma-silence lang yan. Wala yan eh.
As you wish.
Swap ko kaya. Oy, swap ko kaya.
Very well. Let my vengeance soar.
Farm na tayo. Pa-farm pa sila eh.
The time has come. Yes. My Sugod talents. I fly. As you wish.
Roshan has fallen to the giant.
Di nila na busy. Tayo. QP pre. Gigi. Gilang pre, patayan. Ay, gago ka. Naka-BM gago. Deserve mo. Salangata.
Radiant's courier was caught in the crossfire.
We can go straight. Yeah, tower. Draw.
Radiant structures are fireproof.
We need your damage.
The Dire have reinforced their structures.
Tower lang.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Everyone. Now that you're dead, I find it easy.
Sorry, Lion.
Show who what?
My way.
Focus sa screen, parang respeto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch ako, ako nag-bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Try ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, papamagin man. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di ko tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagi, sige lang. Umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Ito ang laban, ako ang alas. Sorry, walang iwanan. Boy shit, hype, parang naman sa bayan. Look sa bag, race sa papakan. Put ko na keso, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun ang walang issue. Bukas ulit, same brand new tissue. Buhay gamer, hindi lang aro, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit iil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yan yun ang mission, laro to, pero gustong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lag, sige lang. Umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Ito ang laban, ako ang alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit iil, tagumpay sa dulo. Balik na mission, laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra! Kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag na-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din naman. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on! Ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on! Huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagas, sige lang. Umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, gi ako atas. To ang laban, ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit hype, parang naman sa bayan. Loot sa bag, race sa babakan. Pult ko na berto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Pagka sulit, same grind, new tissue. Buhay gamer, heady lang aro, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero puso ang kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag bumayla, sige lang, umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Huwag laban, ako ang alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Bali yun ang mission, laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra! Kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag na-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din naman. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on! Ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on! Huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagas, sige lang. Umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, gi ako atas. To ang laban, ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit hype, parang naman sa bayan. Loot sa bag, race sa babakan. Pult ko na berto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Pagka sulit, same grind, new tissue. Buhay gamer, heady lang aro, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit giil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero puso ang kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag bumayla, sige lang, umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Huwag laban, ako alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit
Jadi ka sa bookstore. So, so na. Make sure that you give your first and your friends. So, nanay friends, nanay sleephead, bites time. Katakulan, los. Ako aman. Mali ako di pero.
Palit ka. Umilig yung wala.
Nalo tulo ang palit, mulay ko, basa di. Pwede klaro na hindi pagkuhan di.
Yun na sila. Tambang.
labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Pagkasulit same grind new tissue. Buhay gamer, hindi lang araw puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit kiil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try, di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. Pag bumayla, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Dog laban, akong alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Bali yun ang mission, laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Ikaw ay sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro, beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra, kalaban umapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din man. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try, di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagas, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. To ang laban, ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice check, hype, parang naman sa bayan. Loot sa bag, race sa babakan. Pult ko na beto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Pagkasulit, same grind, new tissue. Buhay gamer, hindi lang araw, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit giil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try, di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. Pag bumayla, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Dog laban, akong alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Bali yung mission, laro to, pero puso kondisyon.
Yo, bro. You hear me?
Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro, beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra, kalaban umapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban.
Hey.
Pag bumagsak, babangon din man.
Hey, you.
Di ako tatamad-tamad.
Yeah.
Ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro,
Do you speak English?
level up, kahit ilang
Yes,
try, di
speak English.
susuko, tagumpay ang tunay.
Are you from
Bibitaw, pag may lagas, sige lang, umaarang
Are you from Tokyo?
XP ko taas, di ako atas. To ang laban,
Say what?
ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang
Where are you from?
voice check, hype, parang naman sa bayan. Loot sa bag, race sa
From
babakan.
Look My Flag.
Tapos na ang labanan, pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Pagkasulit, same grind, new
From
tissue.
Japan,
Buhay
Japan,
gamer, hindi lang
Japanese.
araw, puso tiyaga, yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit giil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission,
Damn it, eh.
pero pusong kondisyon.
You from where, bro?
Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay.
You see my flag?
Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay.
I'm from Philippines.
I see flag of Philippines. Okay.
Yeah, I'm Filipino. I guess I'm the only Filipino playing this game.
Yep. There was many Filipino.
You have already partied some Filipino in this game?
Made some. And you are not too many Filipino kids. You know.
Not that much, no?
Yep. Not that much.
The game will begin shortly.
What do you think? Which is heavier, this game, Super People, or PUBG? Which is the most heavy game? Much heavy. More heavy.
Your accent very sounds like you from India, bro.
India?
Yeah.
No, I'm from Philippines. You see my flag.
See your flip, I got you, bro, and I know there was some.
You know, India, I don't like the people there because lots of people there were a hacker. You know, my Facebook page were hacked by these fucking Indians. You know what I mean?
I got you, bro, I got you. Let me tell you something, okay?
Can you carry me this game?
I know what?
You carry me this game.
Oh, sure. Okay. Definitely, bro. Right. I mean, I'm too good. Too bad this game.
I'm just new in this game.
Yeah, you're a freshman. You're a rookie in this game. Okay.
No,
Jump here, right? Okay.
okay.
Like, you in Philippines right now?
What?
I mean, right now you in Philippines, right?
Yeah. Right.
So I know very famous food in Philippines.
Humba.
Not Tambay, the jelly bean. You know jelly bean?
No, it's the jelly bean. It's a pork.
It's pork.
Yeah. It's pork.
Is jelly bean good?
Jelly bean?
Is good?
No.
No, you never tried jelly bean before.
Jollibee. Jollibee.
That's right.
Oh, okay. Oh, Jollibee. Okay, I tried Jollibee and McDo. I guess the McDo is much more delicious than Jollibee fried chicken.
Oh. So wait, I mean, I'm very curious on things. Where you learn English from? In school?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm only know some English. Few. What English?
Yeah. So Filipinos speak what language?
Yeah. But I'm different.
You're different, okay?
I'm different species. I can live both land and sea.
What? You can live what?
I can live both land and sea. I'm in different species.
Oh,
Survival
I'm just joking.
we're up different.
I'm just trying to confuse you. I'm just kidding, bro.
Yeah, just kidding. I got you. So, how old are you, bro?
I got almost 30, bro.
Married?
This year.
That's so fucking funny, bro. That's my first time to be in Philippines.
It's your first time.
Oh, I
Alright.
think China. Been China before?
Survival
No.
bonus.
Oh, you like China?
I don't think so.
You
50-50.
love Chinese?
I know Chinese. I watch Chinese movies.
Chinese movie? What kind of Chinese?
What?
Is it Kung Fu movies?
Kung Fu movies. Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan, okay. Jackie
Yeah,
Chan.
Jackie Wu.
That's cool.
You know Jackie Wu. The IP man,
Who's
IP
Jackie
man.
Wu?
Jackie Wu, the legendary assassin. You don't
Is
know him?
Dennis Wu?
Jackie Wu is his name.
I don't know who's Jackie Wu.
Meron sa kundi. Ano ka na din? Message
Wait, wait. Someone has killed me.
7.5.
Okay.
Damn.
Dang. He can kill you. He can't do that.
Come on. You gotta.
I'm coming.
Oh, bro, you.
Shining out of the sky, you're my kryptonite. Are you okay? Wait. Okay.
Someone's close. Someone's close. Stop helping me. Take the clothes off. Damn. What? Another one.
Okay, let's wait. We can revive. We have one more left. One more life. Gago. I can never be breaking, 'cause you make my heart break. Something gonna dinner, 'cause I'm dying just to make you see. Okay, we're alive. We're alive and we're back in action, guys.
That's right. We bet.
Nightfall. Here. Just drop. I guess I'm lagging. Oh, bro. I'm lagging. Lagging ikaw. Upaw. Oh, you scared me, bro. I need scoop.
Survival bonus.
Out of the sky.
Acquired.
My kryptonite. You can never be breaking. What is that? Oh, times 4?
Careful.
Times 4? Hey, open area. There. Shot. Oh my goodness.
First blood.
There.
Where did you shoot him, bro?
There, over there.
Survival bonus.
Oops. On the bro, open. On the rock of the rock. He's running around. Time to finish this.
This one. Let's go. I'm pushing. I'm coming. Follow me.
Hit. Oh my goodness. Down.
Kill bonus.
Oh man, like this shit's crazy, bro. I'm a mama shit. Wait, someone's shooting me.
Yeah.
Down.
No.
Another one.
Here.
This nigga's crazy, bro.
Ay, gago ka. Bro, I'm going to rush this, bro. Here.
Go. Found him. I found him. There.
So, one more.
This way.
Here.
Move. We
There.
gotta fuck out here.
175.
Where?
There. Ping.
Let's go. Push. We push.
There. On you.
There.
Nice one.
Survival bonus.
What? Bro, he using the fire gun to shooting me, bro.
Nice try.
Wait. Another one.
Yeah.
Enemy.
I heard it.
He there.
Behind us.
Another one. Another one dead. I mean, bro, I killed 6 people.
He's fast. He's flying. Bro, looting on me. Come on. He's looting on me, bro.
Where?
Looting. Open.
Should stop talking, bro. I'm focused.
Ah, nice try.
Bro, you never tell me there was 2 people. Fucking,
I
bro.
told you, bro. I told you.
Bro, you not just tell me this fucking one, bro.
You
Another
t-
one is shooting me behind me.
You told me to stop talking, bro, because I'm so very annoying from you.
Kaway sa tropa nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro beko, siguradong panalo to.
Manuyok mo pa, hindi mo kabuo.
Ako'y alerto, focus sa screen parang eksperto. Kumo sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag na-clutch ako, aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag sa akin, pamangkin man. Game on! Pag natalo, reach yun lang walang issue. Pagkasulit same grind, new tissue. Buhay gamer, heady lang araw, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilang sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try.
Yo, bro.
Yo.
We made a game.
Yeah. It's called what?
This is Destiny, right?
Yeah. I think so.
So what you do for living, bro?
No. Living my life with my family, working hard to survive from this cruel world.
I get you, bro. So what's your job?
My job right now, operating some machine on feed mill. Operating machine, bro, on feed mills.
What?
Feed mill, bro. Feed mill.
Feed a meter. What is it?
Yeah. Feed meal. You know, we're making some hogs, feeds, chicken, poultry feeds, just like that.
Oh, so you're a chef, right?
No. We're the ones who making the food for hogs, for poultries, chickens, ducks, horse. We're the ones who making it.
Chef spaghetti. What is it? So you make a lot of money, right, bro?
Lot of money.
Yeah, a lot of money.
I could even upgrade my PC.
Yep. So life is good.
You can have a lot. You can't have a lot of money if you got a family already. Then you're not have a quite good job.
Yep. You have a good job.
No. So many envious people around.
So many Indian people.
Envy. You know.
Okay. You got a family right now?
Yeah. I got a family. I got one son, 11 years old.
The game will begin shortly.
Yeah. How about you? You got family already? Did you build your own family?
You got a wife, right?
You got wife? You got wife already?
You got a wife, right?
Yeah. How about you? How about you?
Life's going.
No, it's hard.
Me, I'm 24 years old. I'm
You know,
single.
it's hard.
I don't
It's
have
hard, bro.
family,
It's hard, bro. It's hard, but
No family, no kids.
it's hard, bro. You're taking,
life, right?
you're taking so many responsibilities.
Many responsibilities, right?
Yeah. Just don't get married, bro. That's my advice for you.
Yeah, I think that I will never ever get married. So, how's your day, bro? Like, how's the day going?
Oh, it seems to be fine. But
What? Let's go radio tower. Is that okay?
anywhere.
Let's go.
Anywhere.
Bro, like, let me ask you a question.
Yeah. Why?
We're flying, bro. We're gonna go.
What? What's your question, bro?
Question is, man, like, how's Philippines right now?
No, it's crazy, bro. But it's a very
crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy, bro. Because there's so many, politicians, corrupts. That's the issue of our nation right now.
Is
If you watch,
Filipino?
if you watch the news,
Yeah, I watch the news. So I really want to know how's most of Filipino life. Is it good?
no, for me, our president right now is not good. You know Rodrigo
politician-
Duterte?
Happy-
You know our beloved President Rodrigo Duterte?
I know.
You know. He's in ICC right now. Did you hear the news about it?
I heard about that, but so your country right now is safety.
Oh, President. I don't trust the president right
Who's the-
now, bro.
You don't trust the politician.
Yeah, right now. The administration right
Survival
now.
bonus.
Administration. Oh, okay. Your leader, you don't trust him, right?
Yeah.
He's a bad person.
No, he just can't stand on his own feet. The best president of the Philippines is the Rodrigo Duterte. The best of the best.
Your country is good right now.
No, bro. No.
Oh.
Because of the administration.
Because. Oh, okay.
So many
sorry,
issues.
I heard.
So many issues, bro.
So many issues.
Yeah.
Survival bonus.
People is surviving right now.
It's to survive.
People is starving right now.
Oh, not that much.
Or people is. Your country is safety. Is not many drugs.
As of right now, since President Duterte have been replaced by the new administration, the drugs is the drugs are getting worse. Killing people is very easy right now here.
Oh my goodness! Really?
Yeah. If you
How?
if you watch the news,
How?
rapes, robberies.
You talk about guns?
Yeah. So many rape cases since the new president seated in the
Oh
palace.
my goodness. That's just crazy, bro. I wish you the best, bro. Good luck to your family and your kids, bro.
Thanks, bro.
So you've been out of the country before? Like
No, bro.
Asia
no.
country?
I want, but I can't afford.
That's okay, bro. Some days you can make.
Someday. I want to go abroad, bro. To be honest.
You gonna go good way?
Abroad. Other country. I want to work in another country because the currency there is much bigger than here. You know what I mean?
I get you. I mean, bro, like, all the best wishes, bro.
Acquired.
How is the relationship between you with your wife?
It's okay, bro. We're fine. We're good.
That's nice, bro.
No family matters.
Is family hoster
What is that?
your wife?
What is that?
Or for family? Take care of the kids. Don't have to go work.
Yeah. Singing.
Is that things?
Yeah.
That's
She's
beautiful.
nice.
Do you-
She's nice.
You feed your whole family, right?
Yeah.
You got money, bro?
For money in game or
I mean, not a game, in the reality, bro.
lakhs of money, bro. Lakhs of money.
Lakhs of money? What is lakhs of money?
Short of money.
You talk about you're a very rich man, right?
No. You know, I'm a
No.
witch. I'm only a witch earner here.
You're a poor man, right?
Yeah. Or
Man,
small
oh,
house.
bro.
You know, small house. It's good for
I
us.
wish
We
you
can
to be
eat.
rich.
We can eat 3 times a day. We're blessed.
I gotta tell the truth is all the best wishes for your life, okay?
Yeah, thanks, bro. And all the best we can win this game, bro.
We definitely can win this game, bro.
Yeah. I hope so.
Survival
that-
bonus.
I'm just gonna know some things about Philippines. 'Cause I heard about a lot of news about Philippines.
Yeah. Is it good or bad? Bad,
Also, it's bad.
yeah. You can watch on YouTube
No,
so that you will know more.
yep. But bro, like, why Philippines is that much bad right now?
Because of this crocodile people.
Is any thing about American? American is good right now, you think?
Survival bonus.
I can say it.
You say for what? 상에 파라 이거. 지난해 상에 파라 이거. không chưa 어떻게 그냥
Target neutralized.
First blood.
Bro.
Like, I'm so sad for you, bro.
It's okay, bro. Don't worry about me. I can handle this.
You can handle this, right?
Yeah. All I need to do, all I want is money. People want money,
You
bro.
love women? Like, bro, you love women?
What?
You like women?
What's that?
Girls!
No. I'm loyal, bro.
Oh. You don't not interested in women?
I am interested, but for only my wife.
Oh. That's loyalty shit right here, right?
What is this place? So you're gonna jump here. You're gonna jump here.
No. We gotta fly here. Like, look at this. Look at this. Use the F. So we can fly. F. Okay.
Wait. Where? Oh, we can fly.
Wait, someone was bumping me, bro.
What? Let's go inside. Let's go
Someone was
inside.
bumping. Let's get out here, bro. Let's get out here.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, bro, like, see, you love your wife, right?
I better you buy some wife.
Man, you're a good man. Is that right?
You buy a wife.
I don't have wife. I don't have family. I don't have kids. I'm a single. And I'm tingle.
I'm
Survival
tangled.
bonus.
Less stress.
Yep, less stress. And I love women.
Ooh.
Any kind of them.
Any kind of woman.
Yep. I'm talking about the white girl.
Why
You
girl?
know, big booties, you know what I'm saying?
What the heck?
You get me, bro?
Yeah, bro. Enemy here, bro.
Big titties, bro. Like, that shit is my favorite.
Down?
Hey,
Did
wait. Is the enemy?
Yeah.
That's so crazy. Be careful, bro. Be careful.
Kill
Be careful.
bonus.
He's down, bro.
Another one right here.
Wait, ping.
I got him, bro. So, you know this white girls, bro? White girl situation?
What girls?
Yeah, white girl. Like, I talk about the big booties. You know, big booty things. Yeah. You like him?
No. It's for you, bro. It's for you.
You know what?
It's for you. Not for me. Not good
Yep.
for me.
Yes. fool me, and I talk about the Asian girl.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The pretty women. You know what I'm saying?
You don't like boys? You like only girls? Women?
Oh, what? You like boys?
No, I'm asking you.
Oh no, I'm not like good boys. I'm just
I-
curious.
I-
You like?
No. That's why I'm asking you. I thought you're an alternate.
I'm what?
Alternate. You like boys, you like girls, it's like that.
I only like girls.
Girls only. Yeah.
Girls, you don't like girls. You like the what, bro?
Wait. We're inside the circle. We must.
Like, bro, let me ask you questions. What's the language in Philippines?
Filipino. It's Filipino, bro.
You don't speak English. You don't speak English, right?
What? We're talking about her English. How can you say that?
So in the Philippines, you talk about English?
Lots of people here talking English, even if they're here in Philippines.
Survival
You
bonus.
know, they want to show the world that they know how to speak English.
Let me ask you a question, bro. For real.
I don't think so that if I can answer all of your question, bro. Just try me.
Like, I got you, bro. But
Hey, bro.
let's go.
There, bro,
Someone was fighting.
There, bro. Kagi, bro.
Someone was shooting me.
Sure.
Someone is shooting me. This way. Go, bro. Go get him. This way.
Kill bonus.
Bro!
Here, bro.
Let's go get him, bro. Like, we move.
Let's go. Down.
Kill bonus.
I'm using fire, bro. Be careful, bro.
Don't.
You be careful.
Kill bonus.
Damn.
Dang, bro.
Survival bonus.
Move, bro. We're getting into. Let's go, bro.
Let's go. Where?
That was 3, bro. That was 3. Only 3. We almost win this game, bro.
One more. Here.
Where?
There.
Where's him, bro?
Yes. Fuck, bro! Low. Here. Bro, here.
Oh! I get him!
Nice one.
I
Nice
get him,
one.
bro!
Nice one. He's low.
Super sweet, bro.
Super sweet.
Grinding araw gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din man.
Shining out of the sky, you're my kryptonite. You can never be broken, 'cause you make my heart break. Buuan doaan, nag-English na tayo ng krakihan.
Di ako basta, pag naglaro beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra, kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Kumo sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din man. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try, di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagas, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. To ang laban, ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit hype, parang laban sa bayan. Loot sa bag, race sa babakan. Pult ko na berto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Pagka sulit, same grind, new tissue. Buhay game,
solo?
puso tiyaga, yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try, di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag bumaylag, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Huwag laban, ako ang alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Bali yun ang mission, laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro beko,
Manamingaw na.
naluto. Bra, kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Kumo sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din man. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try, di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagas, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. To ang laban, ako ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit, hype, parang laban sa bayan. Loot sa bag, race sa babakan. Pult ko na beto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Pukas ulit, same grind, new tissue. Buhay gamer, heady lang araw, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo, pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit kiil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero kusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try, di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. Pag bumayla, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo.
Kagliwa, di ko tagay kauban ang nabuo.
The game will begin shortly.
Walang atrasan, tuloy lang, kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Bali yun ang mission, laro to, pero puso kondisyon.
Last game.
Ready na? Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro, beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra. Kalaban umapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang respeto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag na-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din naman. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit, hype, parang laban sa bayan. Loot sa bag, race sa babakan. Pult ko na beto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Pukas ko, new tissue. Game on, laro, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo, pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit kikil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yan ang mission, laro to, pero kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y
Survival bonus.
Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Bali yun ang mission, laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kung sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako
Survival bonus.
Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Basin, hype, parang nga ba sabayan? Lutsag bag, race sa babakan. Ult ko na beto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, replay mga issue. Pagkapilit, same grind, new tissue. Buhay gamer, ilang araw, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atras. Tuloy lang, ikil, tagumpay sa tuloy. Ayun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Susuko, ang bayang tunay. Game on, wag kang
Ano na wag na ito nilagad.
sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Huwag laban, ako ang alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, gigil na rin. Dula, balhin ang mission. Ayaw to, pero puso ang mission. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro ko, siguradong panalo to. Bra. Kalaban mo-hapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang disperto. Kamo sa kamay, walang desperado. Clutch up, grinding out. Walang tulugan, walang kutaas. Walang kalaban-laban. Ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, bibitaw. Pag may legacy, kailang umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Ko ang laban, ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice check, hype, parang nga ba sabayan? Lutsag bag, race sa babakan. Ult ko na beto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Bukas ulit, same grind, new tissue. Buhay gamer, heavy lang araw, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit tuloy. Ayun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. Pag may lat, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atras. Huwag laban, ako ang alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahigil, tagumpay sa Dula. Pero puso kondisyon.
First blood.
Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro ko, siguradong panalo to. Bra. Kalaban mo-hapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang disperto. Kamo sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch up, ako nag-bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Walang kutaas, walang kalaban-laban. Ako tatama-tamad, game on. Ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. Pag may legacy, kailang
Bobo naman.
tuloy lang, kahit kikil, tagumpay sa tuloy. Ayun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay.
Survival bonus.
Acquired.
Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro, beko, siguradong panalo to. Kalaban mo-hapit, ako laloto. Focus sa screen, parang respeto. Kung sa kamay, walang desperado. Huwag ng clutch, ako manigrabo. Grinding araw, gabii, wag tulan.
Survival bonus.
Bago.
Target neutralized.
Kill bonus.
Enemy down.
Kill bonus. Survival bonus.
Lo, gago ka. Hindi namatay, bobo.
Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din naman. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagi, sige lang. Umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. To ang laban, ako ang alas. solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit, hype, parang naman sa bayan. Lutsag, bag, race sa babakan. Pult ko na beto, tapos ng labanan. Pag nagtalo, issue, alam mo ang issue. Kasi let's say, right yung tissue. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tago ba sa dulo, balayin ang mission. Puso, kondisyon. Headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro beto, siguradong panalo to. Bra. Kalaban umapit, ako'y aleto. Focus sa screen, parang respeto. Kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-cut, ako aromatic bravo. Grind ang araw, gano'n, tulugan. Kalaban, pag bumagsak, parang naman. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagas, sige lang. Umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako ato. Laban, huwag alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit, hype, parang naman sa bayan. Lutsag, bag, race sa babagan. Pult ko na beto, labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang walang issue. Sulit same brand new tissue. Buhay gamer, heady lang laro. Puso tiyaga, yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit kikil, tagumpay sa tuloy. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero kusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, ako'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lag, sige lang. Umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako
Survival kill bonus.
pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na headset, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro, siguradong panalo to. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit, hype, parang naman sa bayan. Lutsag, bag, race sa babakan. Pult ko na beto, tapos ng labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang walang issue. Pagkasulit, same grind, new tissue. Buhay gamer, heady lang laro, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit kikil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero kusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lag, sige lang. Umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atang. So laban, akong alas. Game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, higigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Balayin ang mission. Laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag
Gago, nasa gilid par. Dalawa pala par. Number 2 pala. Last na lang pala yun.
Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. First shit, high, para naman sa bayan. Sa bagay, sa labanan. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro, beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra, kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din naman. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on,
Yo. Jeeping. I-jeeping mo?
Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit, high, para na ba sa bayan? Loot sa bag, race sa babakan. Port ko na beto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Pagkasulit, same grind, new tissue. Buhay gamer, heady lang araw, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit gigil, tagumpay sa duro. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. Pag bumayla, sige lang, umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atras. Huwag laban, ako ang alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit gigil, tagumpay sa Dula. Bali yun ang mission, laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro, beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra, kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din naman. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagas, sige lang, umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Tuwang laban, ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit, high, para na ba sa bayan? Loot sa bag, race sa babakan. Ult ko na beto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang, walang issue. Pagkasulit, same grind, new tissue. Buhay gamer, heady lang araw, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang, kahit gigil, tagumpay sa duro. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro,
The game will begin shortly.
kahit ilang try, di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, pagkumainlan, sige lang, umaarangkada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atras, to ang laban, ako ang alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo, balihin ang mission. Laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro ko, siguradong panalo to. Bra! Kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Kumo sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag na-clutch, ako automatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Parang ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din man. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag ka di bitaw. Pag may lagas, sige lang. Umaharang ka na tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Panglaban, ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit hype, parang nabasabayan. Loot sa bag, range sa babakan. Pulit ko na beto, tapos ng labanan. Pag nakatalo, reach yun lang, walang issue.
Survival bonus.
Buhay gamer, hindi lang ako puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong karon, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit kiil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yan yung mission, pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. Pag kumainlan, sige lang. Umaarang ka na tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. Game on, ibig sabihin madaliin ang mission. Laro to, pero puso kondisyon.
First blood. Survival bonus.
Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din man. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Kulay, level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. laban, ako ang alas, game on. Ibig sabihin, walang atrasan, tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo, baliyin ang mission. Laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra. Kuya Leto, focus na. Kamo sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch, araw gabi, yan. Laban, pag bumagsak, babangin man. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, ako'y kulay. Level up.
Ultimate acquired.
Ay, di sa suko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may nakisige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atas. To ang laban, ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit hype, parang naman sa bayan. Root sa bag, race sa babakan. Pull ko na beto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang walang issue. Kasulit same grind yung tissue. Buhay gamer, hindi lang aro, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag bumayla, sige lang, umaarang ka di tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atras. Tog laban, ako ang alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo, baliyin ang mission. Laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra. Kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch, ako aromatic bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din man. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagi, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako alas. Ang laban, ako ang alas. Squad ko solid, walang iwanan. Voice shit hype, parang naman sa bayan. Loot sa bag, race sa babakan. Pull ko na beto, tapos na ang labanan. Pag natalo, reach yun lang walang issue. Kung kasulit, same grind yung tissue. Buhay gamer, hindi lang aro, puso tiyaga. Yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi ko game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen.
Survival bonus.
Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tulay. Huwag kang bibitaw. Pag bumayla, sige lang, umaarang tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atras. Tog laban, ako ang alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan. Tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo, baliyin ang mission. Laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Na headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra. Kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Como sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch, ako aromatic bravo.
Survival bonus.
Gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, babangon din man. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen. Ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagi, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko na.
detected.
Kill bonus. Kill bonus. Kill bonus.
Ay, gago ko.
Kill bonus. Survival bonus.
Hey. Hey, bro.
Hello?
Hello. Let's go.
bonus. Survival bonus.
Go, enemy.
Kill bonus.
Gago.
Kill bonus. Survival bonus.
Ay, Dula.
game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan, tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo, baliyin ang mission. Laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Try, di susukupan kung bayang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. Pag bumainlat, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atras, huwag laban, akong alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan, tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo, baliyin ang mission. Laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro, beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra! Kailangan lumapit, ako'y alerto. Focus sa screen, parang eksperto. Kamo sa kamay, walang desperado. Pag nag-clutch, ako araw nag-bravo. Grinding araw, gabi, walang tulugan. Run ko taas, walang kalaban-laban. Pag bumagsak, mabangon din man. Respawn agad, di ako tatamad-tamad. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try. Di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, huwag kang bibitaw. Pag may lagas, sige lang, umaarang kada tao.
Gago.
Kill bonus. Survive.
Hi gamer, hindi lang aro, puso tiyaga, yun ang totoo. Pag sinabi kong game on, ibig sabihin walang atrasan, tuloy lang kahit giil, tagumpay sa dulo. Yun ang mission, laro to, pero pusong kondisyon. Game on, ilaw sa screen, ako'y buhay. Pag naglaro, mundo ko'y kulay. Level up, kahit ilang try, di susuko, tagumpay ang tunay. Game on, wag kang bibitaw. Pag bumainlat, sige lang, umaarang kada tayo. XP ko taas, di ako atras, huwag laban, akong alas. Game on, ibig sabihin, walang atrasan, tuloy lang kahit gigil, tagumpay sa dulo, baliyin ang mission. Laro to, pero puso kondisyon. Simulan na, headset on, ready na. Kaway sa tropa, nasa lobby na. Kalma lang, pero di ako basta. Pag naglaro, beko, siguradong panalo to. Bra! Kalaban lumapit, ako'y alerto.